Well, for one log there, sure got quite a bit of lumber out of it. I got like a 2x6, two more 2x6s, 2x6 down there, and I got these boards on top here. So that's a big help maybe in getting her closed off. Just gotta go grab my chainsaw and square some of this up and get rid of the slab wood there. But overall looking good here.